After losing the T20 series, the Australian side making a comeback in the first ODI at the Manchester. Both the sides were quite equal, quite competitive, and generally depends on the top order batsmen. But this time, the middle order doing it for Australia. Maxwell and Marsh performing good and making their team win the game. And we can't forget about Hazelwood. He taking up good wickets. He has always been fantastic whenever he plays in England. But there is something unique to talk about this series. The name of the series is Royal London Series, and the series is being played at the Manchester. I know it's going to be a lame one, but I'll still try it. There is upcoming tournament, the biggest festival, the biggest carnival of cricket, called as the Indian Premier League, which will be played at UAE, Abu Dhabi and Dubai for the coronavirus reasons. And the safety precautions will be taken place day out as well. You need to go and have a quarantine for 6 days. Many players from the Australian unit, from the English unit will be joining the IPL teams. You will see Ben Stokes over there, Jofra Archer, Butler, Warner, Finch, Pat Cummins, how can you forget them? The highest paid bowler of the tournament of the IPL 2020 season. Let's get back to the second ODI, which will be played on 13th of September between Australia and England. The ground is going to be same, the Old Trafford, Manchester Cricket Ground. Let me tell you a fact about this ground. The last time the team which was chasing the target and was successful by getting 250, crossing the mark, chasing the mark of 250 was 25 years back. I was thinking that the English side could do it in the previous game in the first ODI, but they weren't able to do that. So both the sides were very competitive, and one thing that we can make up with the ground from the past game was that the ball was keeping a bit low and was spinning a bit also. So that was the only reason that Adil, he was getting a bit of spin. Then there was Adam Zampa from Australia. He was also spinning the ball quite beautifully, and the fast bowlers were quick, but they weren't getting that much of bounce. Then with the fact that we told you over here at Quick Tips, let me tell you something very good, that this pitch will definitely support the team batting first and scoring more runs, especially more than 250, because that's going to be a mental aspect. Talking about the top 3 fantasy picks of the game, I'll be starting it with the Australian player. The name of the player is David Warner, who hasn't performed that much in the T20 series and the one-day series out as well. 2 games were quite flop. In the previous game, he scored just 6 runs, but we expect a lot from him because he is a player who's technically sound, who can hit big slog hits, big runs, who can carry up the momentum, and he opens the inning for Australia. Number 2 in our list is the person who has scored the maximum numbers by any English player scored on the same ground, that is 148. He scored it in front of Afghanistan in the 2019 World Cup, 148. How can you forget him? We are talking about the English captain Ian Morgan. The English team will be relying on him because he knows the ground the best. He can perform. He has got the ability to prove everything, whatever he has got as a captain, as a batsman, as a fielder. And whenever the bowlers are feeling something different, he goes to the bowlers and have different talks. Number 3 in our list is Mark Wood, the bowler who picked up 3 wickets in the previous game. The one thing that he has improved a lot is his pace. Earlier he used to bowl at 85 miles an hour, but now he can clock 90 and sometimes even quicker than that. So what he has got in his stock deliveries in the next game, we'll have to see. You people, for more update, will have to continue with us. But the next thing, you haven't heard the most important one, the prediction of the game, the match prediction. Which team is going to win the match? We'll tell you here at Quick Tips. We believe the English side, they lost the first match, but they know the ground quite better, and their batting order, as we say, that the tail is even stronger as the tail of a crocodile. Even the last batsman, the lower order batsmen, can also bat for the English side. So we believe that the English team is our favorite and will win the second encounter. And you people, for more prediction, for more preview, stay here at Quick Tips.